What if you could blend legendary off-road toughness, modern hybrid power, and refined luxury all into one SUV? Well, get ready. The all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner just dropped, and it's rewriting the adventure playbook. From razor-sharp design to cutting-edge tech, hybrid muscle to serious towing guts, this beast is built for every terrain and every daily drive. Stay tuned with Gravity Automotive because we're diving into every single feature that makes this 4Runner a game changer. Now, let's dig into the full breakdown of the 2026 Toyota 4Runner in one smooth human-style narration. The all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner marks one of the most anticipated redesigns in decades. Toyota has completely transformed its legendary SUV, combining the durability it's known for with modern technology and efficiency that today's drivers demand. Starting with its bold exterior, the new 4Runner perfectly merges rugged off-road heritage with modern aerodynamic styling. The front fascia features a wide, upright grille with sharp LED headlights and an aggressive stance that screams capability. Sculpted fender flares and a muscular hoodline give it a confident, athletic presence, while available 33-inch all-terrain tires and optional skid plates emphasize that this SUV isn't just for show, it's ready to conquer trails. And with Toyota's new Wavemaker blue paint, it truly pops whether you're cruising through the city or climbing rocky mountain paths. Built on Toyota's TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, the same architecture used by the new Tacoma and Land Cruiser, the 2026 4Runner gains serious strength and rigidity. This frame provides excellent durability for off-road adventures while maintaining a smoother, more refined on-road feel. It's lighter and stiffer than the old chassis, improving handling, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Toyota engineers designed this generation to be more than just a trail warrior. It's now a refined family SUV that can handle both rugged terrains and everyday commutes with equal ease. Step inside and you'll instantly notice how much Toyota has modernized the cabin. The completely redesigned interior combines functionality with sophistication. Premium soft touch materials cover most surfaces, and the dash is dominated by a high-resolution touchscreen available up to 14 inches that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers also get a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable drive modes, and crisp ambient lighting that elevates the cabin's mood during night drives. The design feels modern yet purposeful, with chunky climate control knobs and rugged switchgear that reminds you this is still a 4Runner built for the outdoors. Connectivity has been taken to the next level too. Multiple USB-C ports are available in both rows, along with a wireless charging pad, 4G Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and over-the-air software updates that keep your system fresh. The infotainment system also supports cloud-based navigation and voice assistant commands, allowing drivers to control music, calls, and destinations hands-free. Under the hood, Toyota gives you two distinct powertrain choices. The standard gasoline version features a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers around 278 horsepower and roughly 317 to 326 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, offering rear-wheel drive as standard and optional part-time or full-time four-wheel drive for those who crave adventure. Then comes the headline option, the hybrid iForce Max powertrain. This setup combines the same 2.4-liter turbo engine with an electric motor integrated into the transmission, producing up to 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system doesn't just boost performance, it also enhances efficiency, giving drivers both power and better fuel economy. Towing capacity remains impressive at up to 6,000 pounds when properly equipped, making the 4Runner ideal for hauling boats, campers, or gear for a weekend getaway. When it comes to off-road performance, Toyota hasn't compromised one bit. The 2026 4Runner offers multiple drive modes through the multi-terrain select system, allowing you to adjust traction and throttle response from mud, sand, rocks, or snow. Crawl control acts like an off-road cruise control, maintaining low-speed stability on tricky slopes. The available stabilizer bar disconnect mechanism provides better wheel articulation while locking
Sliding differentials and skid plates give extra confidence when exploring the roughest trails. Trims like the Trail Hunter and TRD Pro come fully equipped for serious off-roading, featuring all-terrain tires, high-mounted intakes, and special suspension tuning developed specifically for adventure seekers.
Toyota also focused heavily on safety and driver assistance. Every 2026 4Runner comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest suite of smart systems that includes forward collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beams. The new proactive driving assist system can even provide gentle steering and braking inputs to help maintain safe distances and lane positions. Additional options include a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors, all working together to make the 4Runner one of the most secure SUVs in its class. The seating arrangement is also more versatile than ever. A 5-passenger configuration is standard, while select trims offer a third-row option, expanding capacity to 7. The rear seats fold completely flat, opening up a massive cargo area for luggage, bikes, or camping gear. Toyota even kept fan-favorite features like the power rear window that rolls down, a classic 4Runner touch that adds open-air freedom when you need it most. Ride quality has improved significantly. Thanks to the new platform, refined suspension, and optional adaptive dampers, the 2026 4Runner feels smoother and quieter on the highway than ever before. Yet it still retains that go-anywhere confidence that made it iconic. Toyota hasn't confirmed official U.S. pricing yet, but industry analysts expect the lineup to start around $42,000 for base models and climb towards $60,000 plus for top-tier trims like the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter. The 2026 4Runner is expected to reach dealerships in early 2026, and anticipation is already sky-high among SUV enthusiasts and longtime Toyota fans. In short, the 2026 Toyota 4Runner carries its heritage forward with a modern twist. It's stronger, smarter, safer, and more efficient, a true evolution of Toyota's adventure DNA. From the rugged design to its hybrid powertrain, advanced safety tech, luxury-grade interior, and off-road prowess, the new 4Runner is built for those who refuse to choose between comfort and capability. Whether you're hitting the backcountry trails or driving through the urban jungle, this SUV promises to deliver performance, durability, and confidence every step of the way. This is the 2026 Toyota 4Runner, a modern legend reborn for a new era. And here at Gravity Automotive, we'll keep bringing you everything you need to know about this and other game-changing rides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming test drives and hands-on reviews.